In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out on your creative journey, mastering this simple yet powerful skill can add a whole new dimension to your Canva designs. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you gain both understanding and confidence as we go along. First off, let's get ourselves into Canva. Once you've opened the Canva website and logged into your account, we're ready to begin. The first step is to select the image you have in your design. This could be any project you've already started or a fresh template you've picked to work on. Locate your image or design element in Canva's dashboard and click to open it. With Canva's intuitive interface, you'll find navigating through your projects is pretty straightforward and user-friendly. Now that your project is open, take a look at the background. This is what we'll be focusing on changing today. You need to click on the background area. Just hover your mouse over your canvas, and when you see the entire background highlighted, simply click. This action will activate the background, allowing us to proceed to the next step in the customization process. Once you've clicked on the background, your attention should now move to the toolbar at the top. You'll see an icon or a small color square that's currently showing the color of your background. This is what you'll want to click next. Clicking on this will open up the color palette, a world of possibilities for your design's background color. The palette offers a range of colors, each capable of providing a different look and feel to your design. Finally, it's time for the fun part, selecting the color you want. In the color palette, you have the freedom to choose any color that suits your theme or personal preference. Whether you want a bold, vibrant hue or a more subtle, muted shade, Canva provides a vast spectrum of choices. Try experimenting with different colors to see which one best complements your design. Once you've made your selection, simply click on the desired color and watch as it transforms your design's background instantly. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the background color in Canva. This simple change can drastically alter the mood and impact of your design, helping you to convey the right message and aesthetic. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different colors and combinations to find your unique design style. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.